I look like a dead person. I don't have a mouth. I haven't put it on yet. We are on our way. We have a really super late start on our way to Dots Ferry Farm. We had our friend Jaime's graduation party yesterday, and it took us a while to like recover. I can't look at myself. It's freaking me out. I don't have a mouth. Bye. Oh God. He's doing it. He's really gonna do it.
It smells like
it's like fake cheese.
It smells
cheese
like
whiz.
Science.
Don't smell it, just eat it. Just eat it. Why would you smell it? Show us the inside. Ew, it's on your shorts!
Shit. They don't taste like anything. There's no, I can't even tell what I'm eating. Oh, that's gross.
It doesn't even look like noodles.
Why do I like it though?
You do like it? Eat it then, we paid for it. No one's judging.
I don't like it though. Right. We finally made it to Knott's. And
we're only 5 hours late.
I'm missing my knife because I wasn't allowed to have it. So
we
now
all the way here from the car. As you're walking in, oh shit. Nice.
Yeah, so I hid my knife in a bush. Don't let me forget. Get you a season pass. Right when you walk in, I don't know what this music is. It doesn't go with the vibe.
What is that building?
Yeah, Little Mexico.
Spanish.
Ghost town.
So he just had a bug in his nose. We gotta go this way. Go that way. It's super hot. So what are you doing? This is his favorite roller coaster. He's like obsessed with it. It's hot. So we're gonna go get in the water.
Alright, wait, let me start. Okay. That's my color. Kind of silver, whatever color. That's what happened.
It's all wet.
My shoes is making puddles.
Ugh.
Check it, boys. Train robbers.
Oh my God, you know that old guy loves his fucking job.
Oh my God, I want to ride in a train like that so bad for real though.
Not State Farm? Like a road
train?
train?
Rob everyone in there.
Oh my God.
No problem. No, that's 2001 haircut.
He loves some 41. He loves some 41.
Strolling through the party like my name was
El Nino.
El Nino. Crashed my own house party because nobody came.
You can physically see the nerves.
They're just praying this thing is over. Oh, why do I do this, bro? Alright, we have like 4 roller coasters in this little area, and we have no idea how to get to them, but they're right there. We're just gonna ride one of them. I don't know which one.
That one.
Alright, found one. What ride is this? I don't care, as long as it has a 5, we golden.
Silver bullet.
Oh yeah, we're gonna ride the bullet. Oh yeah. That one at the end it got me. It got her too, look at it.
So dizzy.
I thought it was boring until the end, and then it really got us. Let's find us. Oh, look at my face.
Look at it. Really mid-speech.
I was saying, let's get it!
Edson, look at your face.
This section is Holly's section. It's a little kid section.
Right around the corner.
No.
Holly fits in. I think she's a mom. All that. Charlie Brown. All this stuff is cool. You like this stuff. You know every single thing in here.
I do know everything in here. I've never purchased any of it. I would purchase that.
That's pretty cool. Oh, we in the thing. I even got my license. Huh? Ready? Party. I'm taking this here vehicle and hitting that girl right there. Excuse me. I'm riding it. I'm doing it. With or without you.
You're so gross.
Holly just
Now
rode
what?
a white horse.
I was smiling.
I did that.
Ah, we look a mess. Not
I
me,
look
though.
like Frizzaball Craft.
Yeah, what's her name?
Frizzaball.
That's a crazy name.
I'm flying.
Alright, let's see. We have 50 minutes, 2 rides. Yeah. Yeah! We going. Skirt, skirt. Did that one. That's Holly's favorite.
Babe. So fun. You just
that-
need to smile the whole time. Like,
That's Bay. That ride.
yeah.
So we have
And they're not talking about me.
it's 7:30. 30 minutes to get the ghost ride. I think we're going the wrong way. I think we just go over there. Oh hell no. My favorite ride. Let's go. Still waiting on Ghost Rider. Been here for like 20 minutes. It'll be worth it.
I'm so hungry. I'm ready to eat. I'm like 20 minutes late for being a real bitch.
That's a yawn.
Party. Oh my god, so we decided what we're eating.
We're gonna eat pasta.
Noodles.
Ooh, ooh.
I love carbs.
Ghost
Anthony's
Rider.
favorite ride. And it's nighttime. The lights.
We're seriously.
It's cold.
Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, baby. All right, look at this. Look at this. This is tight. Look at that. Went apart.
We're gonna go all over. We're so annoying. Oh my god.
All right, here we go.
So remember how Anthony had his knife? So we're hoping nobody stole it. Hey, saved us a trip to the car.
Hey.
For grown-ups, the rainbow knife. Oh, there's a tree there. Watch out.
I almost stole my knife.
Oh my god.
We came here late. We rode everything, and we're done.
Yeah.
That's how you do it.
No rush, no time limit, no nothing. We got here whenever we got here. We rode some rides. We're gonna go eat. We're gonna go home. It's a good time.
Mm-hmm.
No pressure, no stress, no nothing.
Mm-mm. Yep, that was not very far. Peace. Deuces.